Encountering the Sysmain.dll not found error on Windows 10 or 11? We've got your back. In this brief guide, we'll show you the steps to quickly resolve this issue and get your system back on track. Press the Windows key, type CMD, and click Run as Administrator. Type the following command to repair corrupted system files and hit Enter Wait for the scan to complete. Now copy and paste the following command to restore the Windows OS image file. If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution. Press the Windows button, then head over to Settings. On left side, click on Windows. Update on the right side, click on the check for updates. If this fix didn't get the job done, let's go ahead and explore the next solution. On the search menu, search for RSTRUI, then click on it, click on Next. Now select the restore point you want, and click Next. Click Finish to initiate the process. Thanks for watching, hope this helped. If so, hit subscribe.